This is the true sea moss gel superfood Soursop. Sent to me to review. I don't even know what Soursop is. That's why I requested it. I was very intrigued. I don't know what to expect. I'm guessing it's sour. It's a very light, not super appetizing looking color, almost like a pear. It smells good though. Almost like a kiwi, perhaps. Purified water, soursop puree. Third ingredient, wild crafted sea moss, then rowan berry extract, monk fruit juice concentrate, ascorbic acid. That one's good. Ooh, tart, but also sweet. That one's really good. No sea moss vibes. I like it. Now I'm intrigued to find out what soursop is and actually try that actual fruit because that's good. That's good. 2 tablespoons per serving, 5 calories per serving. No fat, 70 milligrams sodium, 2 grams of carbohydrates, no fiber, 1 gram of sugar, no protein. Then you've got some iron, potassium, iodine, magnesium. Keep refrigerated after opening. It says no heavy metals, certified vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO verified. Oh, and about soursop, it says it's a fruit known for its antioxidant content supporting vitality and immune defense. So maybe it's similar to elderberry in that way.